नमो नमः। द्वादशी कक्षा संस्कृतम् आह्लादः पाठ्यपुस्तकम् द्वितीयमण्डलं पद्यविभागः पञ्चमः पाठः हनुमत् प्लुतिः। हनुमान् प्लुतिः a jump, the jump of Hanuman. हनुमत् प्लुतिः। भूमिका the preface. आधुनिक संस्कृत महाकविषु डॉक्टर ग.बा. पळसुले महोदयः अग्रगण्यः. In the modern Sanskrit great poets, Dr. G.B. Parsule is the greatest one. भाषाशास्त्र व्याकरणादिषु विद्वत्तमः पळसुले महोदयः ललित संस्कृत लेखने अपि निपुणः. The poet Parsule was not only great in Sanskrit writing, but he was also a scholar of linguistics and grammar. त्रीणि नाटकानि द्वे चरित्रे एकं महाकाव्यम् इति महोदयस्य साहित्य संपत्. He wrote 3 dramas, 2 biographies and 1 महाकाव्य epic. नैकेषां काव्यनाटकानां संस्कृते अनुवादः अपि महोदयेन कृतः. He also translated famous poems, poetries, dramas in Sanskrit. वैनायकम् इत्यस्य महाकाव्यस्य नायकः स्वातन्त्र्यवीरः विनायक दामोदर सावरकर महोदयः. He composed the epic The Great Mahakavya named Vainayakam, where the hero is Swatantraveer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, and from his name, the name of the poem is Vainayakam. The poem related to Vinayak. विद्याध्ययनाय आंग्लदेशं गतः विनायकः क्रान्तिकार्ये निमग्नः. As a young man, Vinayak went to England to complete his LLB, but then he was engrossed in struggle for freedom of his country, India. अतः सर्वकारेण बद्धः तथा मोरिया इति यंत्रनौकया भारतं प्रेषितः. And so he was arrested by British government. He was sent to India by the ship named Moria. मार्गे फ्रांस देशस्य मार्सेलिस नौशयस्य समीपं सः स्वविमोचनार्थं सागरे प्लुतवान्. On the way to India, the ship stopped at the port Marseilles of the France country. At that time, he jumped into the ocean to make himself free. तस्य इयं धैर्यकृतिः विश्वविख्याता. His adventure is famous in the world. अयं चरित्रांशः वैनायक महाकाव्यस्य हनुमत् प्लुतिः इति दशमसर्गात् अत्र उद्धृतः. This part of the story of Vainayak epic named the chapter named as Hanumat Plutihi is 10th chapter, Dashama Sarga, and it is quoted here. अत्र प्रथमतः 17 श्लोकाः रथोद्धता इति वृत्ते निबद्धाः. From the 1st to 17th verse, the meter is रथोद्धता. अन्तिमः 18 श्लोकः वसन्ततिलका वृत्ते निबद्धः. and the last 18th verse is in Vasanta Tilaka meter. Sargante Vruttaveda iti Mahakavya Lakshananusarena. There is a rule of epics in Sanskrit that when the chapter ends, the last verse should be in a different meter. According to it, here the last verse is in different meter. We will start with the lesson. The first verse. प्रथमः श्लोकः वीरसावरकरस्य वाहिनी मोरिया समनुदिश्य भारतम् प्रस्थिता विधृतसत्त्वधारिणी व्याघ्रिकेव निजगह्वरं प्रति. Now here in the first verse there is a simile. The ship called Moria. The ship is called here as Vahini, the one which carries the ship. The ship is carrying Veer Savarkar and it has started towards Bharat, India. Samanuddishya, towards. It is going towards India, in the direction of India. Samanuddishya. So in the first line, it is stated that the ship Moria carrying Veer Savarkar started its journey towards India. Prasthita, started. Now the simile is in second line. The ship is compared with a Vyagrika. Vyagrika, a tigress. A tigress carries Vidruta. It carries her prey, Sattva. Dharini, it carries the prey, its prey, and it goes towards its cave, Gahwaram. Gahwara is cave. The tigress carrying its prey caught by her, it goes to her cave, its cave. Similarly, the ship called Moria caught Veer Savarkar and was carrying him towards India. Now here, the Vyagrika, the tigress, is brave. Similarly, the ship Moria was very much protected because it was carrying Veer Savarkar. It was thought by the government that Veer Savarkar may run away. Some people may help him to get free, and therefore the ship carrying Veer Savarkar was well protected. Similarly, Veer Savarkar is compared to the prey of a tigress. He is not a simple man. He is brave and he is in the freedom struggle. Therefore, government arrested him and government wanted to punish, British government wanted to punish Veer Savarkar, and so he was sent to India. In the first verse, Samanuddishya is Lyabantajiran. Sam Anu Disha. 6 pp Lyabantajiran. In the second line, prasthita, pra plus tha, 1 pp, kta pratyant, कर्मणी भूतकालवाचक धातु साधित विशेषणम, स्त्रीलिंगम, प्रथमा एकवचनम. All the dhatu sadhit viseshanas are krudanta. So the word prasthita is also krudanta. It means started. Vyagrika plus eva, vyagrikeva is the sandhi in second line. Nijagavaram prati. Prati is indeclinable, which expects dvitiya vibhakti. So Gauharam is the word in dvitiya vibhakti. Towards what that word should be in dvitiya vibhakti. So the Saralartha of the first verse is, as the tigress carrying the prey caught by her, and it starts toward its cave. Similarly, the ship Moria carrying Veer Savarkar departed towards Bharat. द्वितीयः श्लोकः. सागरस्तिमित आससानिलः केवलं द्वितयमेव जङ्गमम् वीरसावरकरस्य वाहिनी नित्यदक्षमत तस्य मानसम्. सागरः स्तिमितः आस. The ocean was stunned. It was astonished. How it happened. How Veer Savarkar was arrested. And here, Sagarah Stimitaha Asa has another reference also. Veer Savarkar went to England to complete his LLB. He was homesick. He wanted to return to India, and he wrote a poem, Sagara Prana Talamalala. And in this poem, he asked Sagar, ocean, to carry him back to his country. But then it was expected that Veer Savarkar would complete his LLB and he would become a lawyer, and then with respect he would return to India. Sagar would carry him to India. But this was not true. In this case, Veer Savarkar was arrested by British government and he was carried to India. He was taken to India. And the ocean itself, by the way of ocean only, that is the ocean itself brought Veer Savarkar to India, but not as a lawyer. And so Sagar was astonished. Sagar was stunned. How was Sagar? Sagar was Sanilaha, with the wind. The wind also stopped. The Sagar was also pacified as if. Kevalam Dvitayam Jangamam. Only two things, Dvitayam. Eva. Jangamam. Jangamam, moving. Only two things were doing their job. Only two things were moving. The first thing was Veer Savarkarasya Vahini, the ship carrying Veer Savarkar. And the second, Nitya Daksham Tasya Manasam, the mind of Veer Savarkar, which was Nityam, always alert, daksham. And so only these two things were doing their job. They were not still. They were doing their jobs, but the ocean was still and the wind was also still. In the first line, dvitayam plus eva is the sandhi. In second line, nityadaksham plus atha is the sandhi. The Saralartha would be the ocean was stunned with the wind. Only two things were moving. The ship carrying Veer Savarkar and his mind that was alert always. Third verse. Tritiyah shlokah. कंसबंधन गृहात् पलायितो अर्भकश्च निशिदेवकी सुतः दैवतं निखिल राष्ट्रवादिनां श्री शिवाजीरपि शत्रुबंधनात्. What he thought is given in third verse. The first thought of Veer Savarkar. Kausabandhana Gruhat, that is from the jail, Bandhana Gruha, the jail of the king Kausa. The small infant Arbhakaha, even when he was a small child, infant, Devaki Sutaha, the son of Devaki, that is Krishna, at the time of night, Nishi, Palaitaha, ran away. The small child can do nothing, but then, with the help of father, Devaki Sutta, the son of Devaki and Vasudev, ran away at night from the jail of the king's council. So this was the first example taught by Veer Savarkar, and the second example in the second line, Sri Shivaji, the great king Shivaji also ran away, palaitaha. The word is not repeated again, it is given in the first line. From Shatru Bandhanat, from the jail of Aurangzeb. And this is the second example. Who is Sri Shivaji? The great king who is God, Daivatam of all the Nikhila Rashtravadinam, all the people, devotees of country, all those nationalists, they think Sri Shivaji as their God. And this is the second example. The first example is also of God. He is Sri Krishna. He is a man from history. But then Sri Shivaji is the king. He is as good as a god of all the nationalists. And he also ran away from the jail of Aurangzeb, his enemy. Now here in the first line, Kausa Bandhana Gruhat. Here Panchami Vibhakti is used. From where someone departs, the word should be in Panchami Vibhakti. In second line also, Shatru Bandhanat, from where Sri Shivaji departed, that word should be in Panchami Vibhakti. Nishi, here the word is Nish, ending in Sha half, Strilingam, Saptami, Ekavachanam. The time is shown by Saptami Vibhakti. Kalavachak Saptami. Now in the first line, palayitaha plus arbhakaha plus cha is the sandhi. Palayitaha, the visarga becomes o, arbhakaha, a becomes avagraha. Arbhakaha plus cha, the visarga becomes sh, arbhakascha. In second line, Shri Shivajihi plus api, the visarga becomes ra, then with the help of api, the a, it becomes completed, ra becomes complete, therefore Shri Shivaji Rapi is the sandhi. Palayitaha, para plus aya 1 ap, ta pratyanta, that is कर्मणि भूतकालवाचक धातु साधित विशेषणम पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. The dhatu sadit visheshanas are also krudantas. Therefore palayitaha is krudanta, the person who ran away. Palayitaha. Now the saralartha. Though being an infant, the son of Devaki escaped from the jail of Kamsa at night. The god of all nationalists, Shri Shivaji, also escaped from the stay restriction of the enemy. So these were the two examples thought of by Veer Savarkar. And so, what was the conclusion in the fourth verse? Chaturthaha shlokaha. Bandhane nahi maya vipatsyate, aham karomi nachirat palayanam, moriya satatagamini dinair, maraseli samavapa saptabhihi. The conclusion by Veer Savarkar was that aham, क्षम्यतां, maya bandhane na vipatsyate. I will not die in the jail. Vipatsyate. I will not be destroyed. Maya na vipatsyate. I will not be destroyed. I will not die in the jail. Bandhane. Aham nachirat palayanam karomi. I will run away soon. Here in the first line, vipatsyate plus aham is the sandhi, where the a has become avagraha. Now when he was thinking like this, Moria, the ship Satatagamini, was continuously going on and without any stop. Then saptabhihi dinaihi, in 7 days, Maraselisam avapa, it reached the port named Marselis. Marselisam plus avapa is the sandhi here. Dinaihi plus Maraselisam. Dinaihi, the visarga has become ra. Ra half is shown there. Now the saralartha. Now here in this verse, maya is the pronoun, asmat here pullingam, tritiya ekavachanam. We have to complete the tables of nouns and pronouns. Next, vipatsyate plus aham is the sandhi. saptabhihi. Sapta is numerical adjective. Tritiya bahuvachanam. Vipatsyate. V plus pada 4AP. Here lut lakar. प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. कर्मणि लृट् लकारः. Here it is भावे लृट् लकारः. प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. Next, avapa in second line. Ava plus apa 5pp. Here it is lit lakar. तृतीय भूतकाळ. लिट लकार प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. विपत्स्यते is लुट लकार द्वितीय भविष्यकाळ. Now the सरलार्थ. Fourth verse. I will not die in the jail. I will run away soon. This was taught by Veer Savarkar. The ship Moria continuously reached Marseilles in 7 days.